Hello, I'm Giovanna Tucker and this is my new assistant Cosmo, and welcome to 100 days of Today is going to be awesome. Can today be awesome, or at least not suck for 100 days in a row? That is what we're going to do. I'll be posting a video every day for 100 days, and remember, today is going to be awesome. Bye bye. Hello, if there's something that you don't want to do, here's 3 ways to get it done. 1, have someone sit with you, like a little furry friend, to help you do it so that you're not having to do it alone, so you've got someone to talk to or someone to play with or someone to keep you distracted while you actually do the task that you don't want to do. 2 is just to set an alarm and just say, like, we'll just do it for 10 minutes, and at the end of 10 minutes then it's done enough. Or 3, give yourself a reward for when it's done. So it's like, I'll do this, and once it's done I will either like buy yourself something, or give yourself a treat, give yourself some food that you've been looking for, or buy yourself some dinner or something. And remember, today is gonna be awesome.